So let us begin with exercise 1.4. The first sub question what we are going to see over here, we have to say it whether it is binary or not and give justification only if it is not binary operation. Let us see here. First question what they have told, on z plus defined by a star b is equals to a minus b. Okay, we have to show that it is binary operation or no. Okay, now how to show it as binary operation? Given that a star b is equals to a minus b for all a comma b belonging to z plus, correct? Z means what? Integers, right? Integers म्हणजे -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 all positive and all negative, these numbers come. Z plus म्हटल्यावरती ओनली पॉझिटिव्ह नंबर्स. तुझं जे काय आन्सर आउटपुट येत आहे ते बी Z प्लस मध्ये असायला पाहिजे, तेव्हाच त्याला आम्ही बायनरी ऑपरेशन म्हणतो. खरं आहे? हा. नाव लेट a स्टार b ला मी 1 स्टार 2 म्हणून कन्सिडर करतो. a म्हणजे कोण आता? 1, b म्हणजे 2. सो डेफिनेशन काय आहे? a मायनस b, 1 मायनस 2 झालं, मग आन्सर काय निघाला? -1. Does -1 belongs to Z plus? Therefore, star is not a binary operation. -1 belongs to Z plus? No. Then it is not binary operation. Again, the definition is based on Z plus. Z plus है. Z plus म्हणजे कुठले numbers? All of these. Now, star is defined by a star b is equals to ab. Correct है? ab म्हणजे काय? a into b. ठीक है? आता see, let me write this one statement. For all a comma b belonging to Z plus, we have unique elements in Z plus such that a star b is equals to ab belonging to Z plus. म्हणजे हे 3 लाईनचा अर्थ काय समजा. what it is, a star b is equals to ab म्हणालाय त्याने, a into b. तू मला असलं नंबर सांग की 2 नंबर मल्टिप्लाय केल्यावरती, आय मीन कुठनं घेणार आहे मी नंबर्स, इनपुट कुठनं घेणार आहे? Z प्लस मधनं. Z प्लस म्हणजे काय? सगळं पॉझिटिव्हच असणार आहे तुमचं. अँड a स्टार b चं डेफिनेशन काय आहे? a इंटू b आहे. एक पॉझिटिव्ह नंबर आणि एक पॉझिटिव्ह नंबर मल्टिप्लाय केल्यावरती काय आन्सर गावणार आहे? पॉझिटिव्हच गावणार. आणि असं नंबर सांग की 2 पॉझिटिव्ह मल्टिप्लाय केल्यावर निगेटिव्ह होत आहे काय? नो, देर इज नो पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ दॅट getting. So therefore star is a binary operation. Okay, so let us continue with the next sum, that is the third one. On R, definition is a star b is equals to ab square. Now if you observe, this is a real number set. Now real number मध्ये काय काय येणार? एक तरी फ्रॅक्शन्स येणार, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 2.5, 3, everything will come. Almost certainly everything is going to appear. So now a star b is equals to ab square. आता तुम्ही विचार करा की असलं कुठलंही 2 नंबर घ्या आणि ab स्क्वेअर मध्ये घाला. You are going to get an output as a real number. When you multiply 2 real numbers, you are going to get a real number itself. And जब तक बात b स्क्वेयर की है तो किसी भी हालत में इफ यू टेक एनी रियल नंबर, उसका स्क्वायर करोगे तो आपको क्या मिलेगा? यू आर गोइंग टू गेट अ रियल नंबर अगेन. सो व्हेन यू मल्टीप्लाई 2 रियल नंबर्स, योर आंसर इज गोइंग टू बी अनदर रियल नंबर. अंडरस्टैंडिंग? सो देयरफॉर नाउ a star b is equals to ab square. It seems that for every element of a comma b belonging to R, there exists a unique number as ab square in real numbers. Therefore star is an binary operation. Before we see this, definition is based on Z plus. Okay, definition is based on Z plus. So a star b is given by mod of a minus b. mod चं काम काय? पॉझिटिव्ह करताय. नाव फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन मध्ये आठवण करा, तेव्हा काय होत होतं? वी हॅड चूजन 1 स्टार 2 राईट, म्हणजे 1 - 2 होत होतं आणि -1 होत होतं. अँड -1 डिड नॉट बिलॉंग टू Z प्लस देन त्या सममध्ये. बट व्हॉट वी हॅव हिअर प्लस पॉइंट मॉड, इट मीन्स व्हॉट, इट यू आर गोइंग टू गेट पॉझिटिव्ह. म्हणजे काय, तुम्ही इनपुट कुठलंही घ्या आता, म्हणजे पॉझिटिव्ह इनपुटच घेणार, तुमचं आउटपुट नेगेटिव्ह आलं तरी यू हॅव मॉड विच विल मेक इट पॉझिटिव्ह. ओके, so again the same story you are going to repeat. Now a star b is equals to what is there, mod of a minus b. It seems that for every element in a comma b belonging to z plus, there exists a unique element or unique number, also unique number, as mod of a minus b in z plus, therefore star is a binary operation. Okay, so let us discuss the second one, that is determine star is whether commutative or associative. So basically commutative and associative we have explained earlier as well. So what we need to prove here is a star b is equals to b star a based on this definition. Where is the definition coming from? Z comes under integers. So if you see here, a star b च definition काय आहे इकडं, a minus b, correct. I'll consider 1 star 2, I'll consider 1 star 2 म्हणजे काय, 1 minus 2, बरोबर. So it should be equal to b star a b, नाही म्हणजे this is a, this is b. Now b star a will be equal to what, 2 minus 1. What is 1 minus 2? What is 2 minus 1? Plus 1. Is minus 1 equal to plus 1? No. Therefore, star is not commutative. Is not commutative. Understanding? Now consider 3 एलिमेंट पाहिजे नाही मला असोसिएटिव्ह प्रूव्ह करायला. कसं दिसतंय, a star b star c should be equal to a star b star c. Here second, here the first one. Okay, now I'll consider 1 star 2 star 3 is equals to 1 star 2 star 3. First association कुठं आहे, second इथं. Now here comes the main part. Take your time and see. हे 1 star नाही आहे म्हणून समजा, ओके गेलं ते. Now you have only this bracket. What you have, 2 star 3. स्टारचं डेफिनेशन काय आहे, a मायनस बी. म्हणजे काय, 1 स्टार मी हाय तसं लिहितो, काही चेंज नाही, दोघांना सबट्रॅक्ट करायला पाहिजे, 2 minus 3. ठीक आहे ना. इकडं बी तसंच, स्टार 3 नाही आहे म्हणून समजा लिहून सोडा पहिलाच ना. व्हॉट इज 1 स्टार 2, 1 minus 2. ना 1 स्टार, व्हॉट इज 2 minus 3, minus 1, which is equals to 1 minus 2 is minus 1 again. 1 star 3. ना स्टार आहे, काय करणार, 1 minus this. ओके, सो 1 minus minus 1 आहे. ओके, minus minus plus 1 plus 1 2. आन्सर इज 2. ना minus 1 स्टार म्हणजे काय, -3 करायला लागणार. सो देअरफॉर मायनस इंटू मायनस इज प्लस, म्हणजे ऍडिशन, साइन ऑफ ग्रेटर नंबर, सो -4. But do you think 2 is equal to -4? No. Therefore, star is not. Definition कुठं राइज करायलाय, Q. It is rational numbers. Okay, real numbers आणि हे rational numbers. Okay, rational numbers definition काय सांगायलेत, a star b is equals to ab plus 1. ठीक आहे. Now, if you observe here, we know that ab is equals to ba. 1 into 2 is what? 1 into 2 is 2. 2 into 1 is again 2. So therefore AB is equals to BA. Now add 1 both sides. म्हणजे AB plus 1 is equals to BA plus 1. Now if you observe, this is nothing but A star B is equals to B star A. So therefore star is commutative. Let us take another 3 numbers associative prove करायला. Consider 1 star 2 star 3 should be equal to 1 star 2 star 3. Now take your time and understand this first. ठीक आहे, association mark करूया, इथं second, इथं first. ठीक आहे. Now assume that it is not there. Write 1 star. 1 star I written already. So this is what now, A star B. A star B चं डेफिनेशन काय आपल्याकडं, AB plus 1. म्हणजे काय, इकडं काय होतं, मायनस करायचं होतं, ते वेगळं आहे. आता ए बी प्लस 1 करायचं आहे. सो ए बी काय आहे 2 आणि 3. सो व्हॉट आय विल डू सी नाव 2 into 3 plus 1. सी हिअर ए बी प्लस 1 करायचं आहे ना. सो 2 into 3 plus 1. Understood? Which is equal to now. So 1 star 2. What is 1 star 2? AB plus 1, no? So 1 into 2 plus 1. Definition चा अनुसार करायचं. It is not like that की सगळ्याकडे मायनस मायनस करत गेलो. No. It is to be done according to your definition. Okay? So now simplify. 1 star है 3 2 जा 6 plus 1 7, which is equals to 2 1 जा 2 plus 1 3 3 star 3. Again now 1 star 7 AB plus 1 है definition. So 1 into 7 plus 1 is equals to 3 into 3 plus 1. So 7 1 जा 7 plus 1 8, which should be equal to 3 3 जा 9 9 plus 1 10. Is 8 equal to 10? No. Therefore star is not associative. Okay, so the third sum definition is A star B is equals to AB by 2. Now A star B च definition काय दिलेत AB by 2. Now we know that AB is equals to BA. AB is equals to BA true है for all. असं म्हणूया for all A comma B belonging to Q. Then divide by 2. So it is AB by 2 is equals to BA by 2. A star B is equals to B star A. Therefore star is commutative. Associative करूया. Now A star B star C I'll consider, and this is A star B star C. Now association करूया. What is A star B? म्हणजे इथं B star C आहे सोड. खरं ह्याला तू फर्स्ट टर्म मान, हे सेकंड टर्म मान, तर तुझं आउटपुट काय येणार BC by 2. BC by 2. So therefore this is going to be BC by 2 is equals to, now assume that this is second one is here itself. AB है A star B है, ठीक है. What is A star B? AB by 2. I'll write here what AB by 2 star C. Now comes the main part. This is your A, this whole thing is your B. This is your A, this is your B. Understood? Now AB by 2 होता है. A second term I will not write by 2. AB by 2 दिसाल है बरोबर. A star B चं डेफिनेशन खरं माझं B सेकंड टर्म काय आहे BC by 2. कीप दिस इन माइंड. कन्फ्यूज व्हायचं नाही म्हणून तसं केलं, ठीक आहे. A I will not write. A C by 2. Now but what is your first term? AB by 2 है ना, ठीक है. Now this is the definition matching. Now A B C divided by 2 into 2, which is equals to A B C divided by 2 into 2, which is equals to ABC by 2, sorry ABC by 4, ABC by 4. Therefore star is associative. In the same way, now star is defined as A star B is defined as 2 raised to AB, correct now? So now we know that AB is equals to BA, which implies that 2 raised to AB is equals to 2 raised to BA. Okay, again I am giving it, raising its power. Therefore A star B is equals to B star A, which implies that star is commutative. Now consider 1 star 2 star 3 is equals to 1 star 2 star 3. Okay, now association करा अनेकदा. Now 1 star I will keep as it is. What is A star B? A star B काय आहे 2 raised to AB. 2 आणि 3 आहे माझ्याकडे. So 2 raised to 3 असणारच. AB A and B is what 2 into कळाला, which is equals to 1 star 2 2 raised to 1 into 2 star 3. Now it is 1 star 2 raised to 2 into 3 is 2 raised to 6, which is equals to 2 raised to 2 star 3. What is 1 raised to 6? 2 raised to 6 64 होता है, ठीक है. मल्टीप्लाई करून बघा 6 times. 2 square is 4 star 3. Again A star B is what 2 raised to AB. So 1 star 64 आहे बरोबर. Then it will be 2 raised to 1 into 64 म्हणजे A into B होणार नाही, which is equals to 2 raised to 4 into 3 होणार, correct. This becomes 2 raised to 64 into 1 is 64, which is not equal to 2 raised to, equal है क्या, powers are equal, no, which therefore I'll write here. Therefore star is not associative. So let us see the last question of this main exercise, question, where a star b is defined as a divided by b plus 1. Now consider 1 star 2. How should be commutative? A star b should be equal to b star a, right? म्हणजे मी 1 star 2 पकडत होता का रिअल नंबर्स मध्ये येतात नाही 1 star 2. ओके, सो 1 star 2 चं डेफिनेशन बघूया. व्हॉट इज a star b? a divided by b plus 1. So a is what here? 1 divided by b काय है? 2 plus 1. आंसर काय निघाला? 1 by 2. So let us check b star a. b star a म्हणजे काय? 2 star 1 which is equals to a काय है आता? 2 divided by b काय है? 1 plus 1 which is equals to 1. Okay, which is equals to 1. But 1 by 3 is not equal to 1. Therefore a star b, therefore star is not commutative. Therefore star is not commutative. कळालं? Let us solve for associative. a star b star c is equals to a star b star c. इकडं second, इकडं first. So now let 1 star 2 star 3 is equals to 1 star 2 star 3. Now go for association. Now 1 star नाही आहे म्हणून समज आणि लिहून सोड पहिला. ओके, ठीक आहे. what remaining is what? 2 star 3 which is of the form a star b ने. तर a star b चं डेफिनेशन काय आहे आपल्याकडं? a काय आहे इकडं? 2 divided by 3 plus 1. So 1 star 2, 1 divided by 2 plus 1, this into star 3. Okay, now 1 star, what is 2 divided by 4? 2 divided by 4, shall I write it as 1 by 2? 1 by 2 which is equals to 1 divided by 3 होता है, correct? 1 divided by 3 star 3. Now this is your next one is, this is a, this is b. Okay, so now definition काय म्हणते आपला? a plus a divided by b plus 1. No, what is a here? 1 divided by b is 1 by 2 plus 1 which is equals to, इकडे काय है a? 1 by 3 whole divided by 3 plus 1. 1 divided by, how you are going to simplify this? 1 plus 2 by 2. I hope you are understanding. 1 by 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. So what this will be? 2 divided by 3 which is equals to 1 divided by 4 3s are 12. Seriously, this is not equal. Therefore star is not associative. Therefore the star is not neither commutative nor associative. Okay, in the third main question we are going to see the operation table, which we have already discussed in the introduction video as well. Now what this question is telling us is, consider a binary operation inverted v on the set. One set is given defined by a inverted b is equals to minimum of a comma b. So minimum of a comma b, it means what? Suppose you have 1 comma 2, your operation will be 1 and 2. What is which is the lesser one? 1. So your answer will be 1. Understanding? So this way you are going to communicate as minimum of the two. Okay, now how do you write operation table? Operation table, first you are going to put box. Okay, so this is your operation table. I mean all the elements in the set, we are going to write it in this fashion. And what is your operation? Operation का है? Minimum. So therefore write the minimum of that. Okay, now 1 comma 1, so minimum का है? 1. So minimum of 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 1 1, 2 and 1, 2 and 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5. So again 1 2 3 3 3, 1 2 3 4 4, 1 2 3 4 5. Done. So this is the operation table. The required operation table is this. Okay, and first you have to understand what does this symbol mean. Right now. Okay, so let us see the next. Okay, so let us see the next sum. Fourth main question. So this question is mainly dependent on this operation table here itself. Now there is no proper definition of star given, but you have this operation table. From this operation table you can make out what is star. That we will do later. Now let us see the first question. What they are telling us is compute 2 star 3 star 4 basically an associative thing what is there that we are going to see. So first sub question, let us compute. Let's see the first one, 2 star 3 star 4. ते मिनिममच्या टेबल मध्ये तुम्ही काय करत होता, 1 मिनिमम 1 1, तसं नाही, इथं 1 स्टार 1 answer 1, 1 star 2 star 1 answer 1. So let us compute 2 star 3 first. So what is 2 star 3 is 2 star 3, you can consider your answer is going to be 1. Okay, on the other way round also, if you choose 2 star 3, again you are getting your answer as 1 itself. So therefore what is 2 star 3 now, 1, आणि हे star 4 हाय तसंच ठेवूया. ठीक आहे, now you check 1 star 4 answer 1, correct. Other way round, 4 star 1 answer 1, you are getting again 1. So therefore your answer is 1. Okay, so basically what we did was काय भी घालोय, we are taking it from this operation table itself. Understanding? Next one, let us compute the second part, 2 star 3 star 4, but हिकडा आहेत ना brackets. Okay, or tell me now what is 3 star 4, 3 star 4 1. So again this is going to be 1. You can check the other way around also, आणि सेमच गावणार आहे. So 2, what is now 2 star 1, 2 star 1 answer 1. Okay, did you compute them? No. Now comes the logical part and the conceptual part. Is the star commutative? Commutative म्हणजे काय, it should be a star b should be equal to b star a, right? Now एक सांगा मला, 2 star 1 काय आहे, 1, 1 star 2 काय आहे, 1. अंडरस्टँडिंग? इकडं भी तुम्ही चेक करा, सगळे आन्सर तुम्हाला सेमच आले, इवन वेन यू आर डुईंग द फर्स्ट ऑल्सो. ओके, सो इट सीम्स दॅट फॉर ऑल a comma b belongs to 1 2 3 4 5, a star b is equals to b star a from the operation table. Therefore star is commutative. Understanding? Let us solve the third one. Okay, so let us compute the last part. So if you can see here, what is 2 star 3, 2 star 3 is 1, 2 star 3 1 आहे ना. So 1 आणि हे star 4 star 5 is also 1, 1 star 1 is 1. So from the operation table you can easily make it out. So this is your fourth question. Okay, so let us see the next question, that is the ninth question. Okay, so what they have said us here is star is a binary operation on set Q, that is set of rational numbers. Now in this question we have to say whether these sub questions are commutative or associative or both of them. Okay, so let us begin with the first one. So definition set, that is set is Q given by a star b is equals to a minus b. Since the given set is rational numbers, therefore what I'll do is, rational numbers म्हणजे काय, पहिला q which is of the form p by q, right? Now consider 1 by 2 star 1 by 3. This is because the definition set is q and I want to represent in that format itself. So p by q I am taking. So 1 by 2 star 1 by 3, then what will be here, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. Star म्हणजे काय आहे, it is minus, right? So therefore it will be 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3, it will be equal to 3 minus 2 by 3 to the 6, 1 by 6. Okay, I know how you know how to deal with these fractions. Okay, just multiply them आणि सोबत भी multiply करा आणि denominator cross multiplication वरती subtract and write. Okay, 1 by 6 we are getting. But for commutative it should obey 1 by 3 star 1 by 2 also, even this should obey. So therefore 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2, again divided by 6, 2 minus 3 which is minus 1 by 6, but 1 by 6 is not equal to minus 1 by 6. Therefore, but what we know, 1 by 2 comma 1 by 3 belongs to rational number, correct? Therefore star is not commutative. Okay, so let us see the associative as well in the next part. So star is associative, definition set is again q. Now I'll consider 1 by 2 star 1 by 3 star 1 by 4. What is star मतलब काय? I'll consider association of second two elements in the first case. So 1 by 2 star I'll keep as it is. Star meaning is a minus b, right? So it is 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. Now tell me what is 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4? 2 star. It will be 4 minus 3 divided by 4 3s are 12, correct? So it will be 1 by 2 star 4 minus 3 is 1 by 12. Now you have got two different elements again. So star चा definition क्या है? 1 by 2 minus 1 by 12, which is equals to 12 minus 2 divided by 12 to the 24. 12 minus 2 is 10 by 24. 2 5 is 2. 12 the answer is 5 by 12. Okay, so let us see the second part. Association holds good or not. So therefore I will consider now 1 star 2 by 1 by 4. Now first two elements I will associate. Now again 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 star 1 by 4. Now what is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3? 1 by 6 as seen earlier, star 1 by 4. Now 1 by 6 star 1 by 4 is 1 by 6 minus 1 by 4. If you are not understanding why this star is getting converted, just see your definition. Instead of star we have subtraction, so that's why we are using this. Okay, now 6 minus 4, how again 4 minus 6 divided by 6 4s are 24, correct la? So 4 minus 6 will be minus 2 by 24, which is minus 1 by 12. Now it is very much clear, both the answers you are not getting equal. Therefore 5 by 12 is not equal to minus 11 by 12, minus 1 by 12. Therefore star is not associative. Okay, so for associative we will consider another. Again definition is going to remain the same, definition set is also going to remain the same. Now we will consider 1 star 2 star 3. Here we will do association. What is a star b? Definition is a square plus b square, correct? So 1 star 2 square is 4 plus 3 square is 9. Now what is 4 plus 9? 13. So 1 star 13 is there. So 1 square plus 13 square as of in definition. So 13 square is 169. 169 plus 1 is 170, correct? 169 correct aithe? So therefore this we have got 170. Okay. So 1 star 2 star 3 again. So 1 and 2 we will write. So what is 1 star 2? 1 square plus 2 square star 3. So it is 1 plus 4 star 3, which is 5 star 3. What is 5 star 3 is 5 square plus 3 square. So 5 square is 25 plus 3 square is 9 la. So 25 plus 9 is 34. So therefore 170 is not equal to 34. Therefore star is not associative. Okay, so let us solve the third sum of this exercise, where a star b is equals to a plus ab. Now let us see one example. Now definition set again it is going to remain the same, that is q itself. Now consider a star b is equals to a plus ab, which is now equal to, we will consider 1 star 2. 1 star 2 is what? 1 plus 1 into 2, correct? A plus a into b, no? So therefore 1 plus 2 is equals to, answer is 3. Now that only we will consider 2 star 1. 1 plus 2 plus 2 into 1, which is equals to 2 plus 2 1 is 2, which is equals to 4. But 3 is not equal to 4. Therefore star is not commutative. For all a comma b belonging to rational number, star is not commutative. Okay, so now again consider 1 star 2 star 3. Again we will do association. So 1 star I will keep as it is. What is 2 star 3? 2 plus 2 into 3, correct? 2 plus 2 into 3. Definition क्या है? A plus AB है ना? So therefore 1 star 2 plus 2, 3 to the 6, 6 plus 2, 3 to the 6, 6 7 8. So 1 star 8. Again 1 plus 1 into 8, correct? So 1 plus 8 is equals to 9. We will check the second association. 1 star 2 star 3. What is 1 star 2? 1 plus 1 into 2. This whole star 3, which is equals to 1 plus 2 1 is 2 star 3, which is 3 star 3. Now what is definition? A plus a into b. So 3 star 3 3 is 3 plus 9. which is 12. Clearly, therefore 9 is not equal to 12, therefore star is not associative. So let us solve the next sum for fourth main question. Here the definition set again remains the same. Definition is a star b is equals to a minus b. So it is clearly observed that a star b is equals to a minus b whole square. Again, what will be b star a, which is equals to minus of a minus b whole square, which is equals to a minus b whole square itself. So therefore a star b is equals to b star a. Therefore star is commutative. So if you don't understand this by theoretical method, you can always use one example as explained earlier as well and solve the sum. Now let's check for associative. So a star, so instead of taking, now consider what is this, 1 star 2 star 3. First we will do first two associations. So 1 star, what is 2 star 3, which is 2 minus 3 whole square. So 1 star 2 minus 3 is minus 1 whole square, minus 1 whole square is plus 1. So 1 star 1 is equals to 1 minus 1 whole square, which is equals to 0. So again 1 star 2 star 3, 1 and 2 we will consider. So what is 1 star 2, 1 minus 2 whole square star 3, which is equals to, what is 1 minus 2 is minus 1 whole square star 3, 1 star 3. What is 1 star 3, 1 minus 3 whole square, 1 minus 3 is minus 2 whole square is plus 4. Clearly what, 0 is not equal to 4, therefore star is not associative. Okay, so let us discuss the next question, that is the 8th one. Let star be the binary operation on n defined by a star b is equals to HCF of a and b. HCF is highest common factor. Is star commutative, associative? Does the identity element exist? Okay, so we will see one by one. So a star b definition is given by HCF of a and b, right? HCF of a and b. So which implies that b star a will be what? HCF of b and a, which implies a star b is equals to b star a for all a comma b belonging to natural numbers. You can write one statement, because HCF of a and b and is equal to HCF of b and a, both means one and the same, no? Therefore star is commutative. These are all theoretical, okay, very easy to solve, not a big deal. Now definition is a star b is equals to HCF of a and b. Correct? Here's a definition. So now if you observe here, I'll write a star b star c. I'll associate these two. A star I'll write as it is. What is b star c? HCF of b and c. HCF of b and c. Now star hai na ani, so therefore it will be HCF of a b and c. Correct? हे दोन्ही तिघांचे HCF घेतल्यासारखंच. It's again now a star b star c. I'll associate first two HCF of a and b, and star c as it is I'll keep. Now HCF of a and b star c will be what? HCF of a b and c. Therefore a star b star c is equals to a star b star c. हालांकि association change होगा, therefore star is associative. As well. Okay, so now again discussing the last part, we have the question, does there exist an identity element for the binary operation? So basically identity element means consider any number from the given set star. I need such a number so that I should get the number back. Okay, it means what? A HCF ऑफ आणि एक असलं कुठलं तर नंबर सुद्धा नाही, वापस मला आन्सर एच यायला पाहिजे. ओके, दॅट काइंड ऑफ नंबर यू नीड टू चूज. फॉर एक्झाम्पल ए प्लस झिरो इज वॉट ए इट सेल्फ ना. म्हणजे काय, झिरो इज द आयडेंटिटी एलिमेंट फॉर द ऑपरेशन स्टार, बट युअर ऑपरेशन हिअर इज HCF. So if you observe very keenly, now there does not exist any element in the set capital N म्हणजे natural numberचा set, such that A star E is equals to A and E star A is equals to A. Therefore there does not exist any identity element for the operation star.